Hi, I'm Sue Kerr and I represent the Friends of the Acadian Forest volunteer group at the Botanical Gardens here at Acadia. And we are involved in raising funds for the gardens and also for making available to the community and the public at large native plants that are grown here in the gardens. We propagate them and sell them at an annual plant sale. We also donate quite a number of plants to schools or farmers markets or other community groups that want to get into planting pollinator gardens and natural landscapes. And we go to farmers market events to represent the gardens. The community and volunteers are involved in the gardens in a number of ways. There are several volunteer programs. Volunteers help in the herbarium and the seed bank. There's a body of student volunteers for the gardens. And then the larger group is called the Friends of the Acadian Forest, and they come to the gardens every Tuesday morning for several hours, and depending on the time of year and what's going on, they do all sorts of different things. The main program the volunteers have is as a plant sale that happens in spring every year, and we propagate a couple of thousand plants from seeds that we collect in the gardens, and we sell those to the public. So the public comes to the sale, we get all those plants out into the community, into private gardens, and we raise funds for the gardens. We also have a donation program for our plants, so any farmers markets or schools or libraries, community places that want to have pollinator gardens added to their grounds, we supply free plants for that purpose.